Bantay Bata 163 in Bicol is working hand in hand with local donors and partners as it launched the feeding program in Catanduanes. Here's a look.
For children who belong to poor families in Virac, Catanduanes, every act of kindness and help that comes their way is truly appreciated.
Masaya po ako dahil kakain pa ako ng sarap. Salamat po.
8-year-old Catherine Ojena is just one of over 400 feeding beneficiaries of ABS-CBN Sagip Kapamilya and Bantay Bata 163's Bantay Kalusugan in Virac Central School.
Masyadong mahalaga. Sabi ko sa mga parents, kailangan full support tayo kasi imagine for 6 months hindi kayo magpapabaon.
It is through the kindness of the local government, provincial health offices, and different schools that the young ones' health and well-being are now prioritized.
Nagpapasalamat ako unang-una sa ABS-CBN sa pagpili ng lugar namin bilang area ng itong Bantay Bata. Sana yung mga teachers at parents tulungan natin ang mga bata.
It's worth all the effort, the time, the travel kasi di ba considering ang layo-layo. Ibibigay din natin kung ano yung kaya at kasi kailangan ng samantalahin yung opportunity.